Sa puntong ito, nabuksan ang ating shooter, ang silid-aralan. Tingnan po natin itong room 504. Makikita natin dito ang run or avoid response during the lockdown. When a clear and safe path is available, participants evacuate immediately and then move quickly and orderly, leave belongings behind, keep their hands visible, and proceed to the designated evacuation area. This also shows how teachers and participants assess the safest direction for movement. So muli, ito po ang ating run or avoid response during the lockdown. Ang evacuation area kung saan nagtungo ang mga mag-aaral ay nakalock din. Sa bahaging ito, makikita natin ang response of law enforcement personnel. Participants are reminded to remain calm, follow instructions from school officials and responders, and wait for the official all clear. Makikita po natin na simultaneously nangyayari ang mga senaryo. Nahuli na ang ating shooter. Bago dumating ang mga pulis, nakapagsagawa na rin ng iba pang mga response ang ating mga mag-aaral. Meron tayo kaninang hide or deny response. Ito ay kung ang evacuation ay hindi safe para sa participants. They secure the room by locking and barricading the door, turning off the lights, silencing devices, staying low and out of sight, and remaining quiet while waiting for authorities. Ito po yung ating nasaksihan kanina.
Attention! The emergency has ended. Law enforcement has prepared the area name. The lockdown is lifted. Please proceed to the ground for the following evacuation.
Class advisors, subject teachers, please be in your respective classes. Punta tayo sa harapan ng inyong klase. And everyone, please be seated. And authorities have declared the area secure. At this time, please remain calm and stay where you are unless directed otherwise by school personnel or emergency recruiters. If you or anyone near you requires medical attention, our first aid station is located on the right side of the school. Our medical team is ready to provide you. Parents and guardians.